The problem name is increasing triplet subsequence. So the question is, given an integer array nums, return true if there exists a triple of index I, j, k such that I is less than j and j is less than k, and nums of I is less than nums of j and nums of j is less than nums of k. If no such indexes exist, return false. So in simple words, what we have to find? We have to find subsequence of three numbers which are increasing in order. What we have to find? We have to find subsequence of three numbers which are increasing in order. If we will able to find, then we will return true. If we can't find, then we will return false. So subsequence means we can the subset of any array where the numbers are not continuous. Their indexes are increasing but the numbers are not continuous, like 1, 3, 4. I can take this subsequence. This as subsequence 1, 2, 5. This as subsequence. So any subsequence we can take, but what we have to return? We have to return true if that subsequence, that triplet subsequence is increasing. So how we can find? We can find how we can find. So this is an array 215046. How we can solve this question? So the idea is, we are taking two integer c1 and c2 because we have to find triplets. Okay, we have to find triplet. So I am taking two integer. One I will go through this array. So this I will go through this array and I will compare this number with these numbers. I will compare this number with these two numbers. If I will find this number as greater than both of them, if I will find this number is greater than both of them, then I will say I have found the triplet. Then I will say I have found the triplet. Just see, first I will take c1 and c2 as int max. First I will take c1 and c2 as int max. Okay, so now I am at 2. So is 2 is less than 2 is less than c1? Yes, it is less than, so I will update. Now c1 is 2. Okay, now I am at 1. If 1 is less than c1, yes, 1 is less than c1, I will update c1 again. Now c1 is 1. Okay, now I am at 5. Is 1 is less than c1? If is 5 is less than c1? No, 5 is not less than 1. Okay, now I will check if 5 is less than c2. Yeah, it is less than c2, so I will say update this. I have updated. Okay, now I am at 0. I will say 0 it less than 1. Yes, it is less than, so I will update. Okay, I am at 4. I will say 4 is less than 0. No. 4 is less than 5. Yes, I will update. I will update again. I have updated. Okay. Now I will check 6 and I am at 6. I will check 6 is less than 0. No. 6 is less than 4. No. So 6, I found a number 6 which is greater than both, which is greater than 0 and which is greater than 4, which is greater than both of them. So means I have found one subsequence. I have found one subsequence. So I can return true. So idea is very simple. Now we will code. What I have done, I have taken two integer c1 and c2 and I have taken their value int max, and what I am doing, I am just running a for loop in which I am going through these elements, going through these numbers. So what I am checking if this number is less than or equal to c1, update c1. Okay, if this number is not less than equal to c1, then I will check. Else if it is less than or equal to c2, then update c2. If it is greater than both of them, then return true. And if whole for loop is whole for loop is run, but I haven't written true. It means there is no subsequence, so I will return false at last. So it is running.